A geohazard is a natural disaster involving geological forecasts. Endogenic forecasts cause various geohazards, namely volcanoes, quicksand, sinking rock, acid rain, landslide, earthquake, global warming, tsunami. Geohazards can cause loss of life, cause property damage and economic collapse, and can affect the quality of the environment. Volcano is the phenomenon of eruption of molten rock and gas extracted from the interior to the Earth's crust and to the surface of the Earth. A volcano is the vent in the Earth's crust that allows the hot liquid of magma to reach through it in the form of a strong eruption. The lava, pyroclastic, and volcanic glass influence through a break in the surface called a vent. Volcanoes are formed of magma, which is a coated rock that exhibits a very high temperature and pressure beneath the Earth's crust. Volcanoes erupt when the pressure in the mantle is high and not force the magma out through the vent or barrier in the Earth's crust and to the surface of the Earth. The magma that flows out to the Earth's surface is counted as lava. The lava and debris from the volcanic explosion are clustered around the sepals of the vent and form a convective cone. Volcanic eruption can pollute the air with gas and dust, pollute the water, be harmful to life, destroy property. An earthquake is sinking of the surface of the Earth as a result of the sudden movement of the tectonic plates of the Earth's crust. The movement of plates sliding each other causes enormous pressure build-up. When the pressure is released suddenly, the plates are split. The potential energy resulting from the sudden release of pressure produces small waves called as luminous waves that cause vibration, tremor, and displacement of the ground. These luminous waves can be detected using a seismometer. Earthquakes can cause a crack on the Earth's crust, B. Landslide, C. Tsunami. A landslide is the sliding down for rock and soil in a large amount down a slope. Landslides usually occur on the steep slopes that are exposed to erosion, weathering, and rainwater. A landslide is caused by the gravitational force that acts on a steep slope. When the gravitational force exceeds the force that holds the slope together, the slope moves downhill. Landslides could burn houses, roads, and property. Acid rain is the rainwater that is mixed with air pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and
oxides for nitrogen. Burning of fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum at power plants and by binnacle releases millions of tons of sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen into the atmosphere. Sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen react with the water buried in the air to form acids, namely sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These acids are soluble in rainwater and fall to the earth in the form of acid rain. Global warming is the increase in the ambient temperature for the Earth's atmosphere that can cause change in weather and limit. Global warming is caused by the greenhouse effect and ozone depletion. The greenhouse effect refers to an increase in the atmosphere temperature due to the increase in the amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases such as methane and nitrous oxides, which trap the heat in the atmosphere. The heat trap causes an increase in the atmospheric temperature. Tens of millions of tons of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere each year by the burning of fossil fuels, and this has increased the global temperature through the greenhouse effect. The use of chlorofluorocarbons also increases the temperature of the atmosphere, as these chlorofluorocarbons not only absorb heat but can also cause depletion of the ozone layer. Global warming can endanger of life because the rising temperature can melt the ice in the polar region and increase sea level. This can cause flooding in low-lying areas, cause prolonged droughts. Quicksand is an unstable layer of sand, where the sand forms a suspension with the trapped water inside it. Quicksand occurs when underground water flows upward and saturates an area of loose sand that the sea loses its strength. Quicksand usually occurs near lakes, wetlands, or near the coast. When a victim steps into the quicksand, only his feet will sink, but tiny body movements will cause the person to sink deeper. Sinkhole is the hole extending from the surface of Earth to a deep underground that is generally formed by water seepage through the rock. Most sinkholes take years to develop and are usually formed in regions underlain by limestone. Through heavy rain and human activity such as excessive groundwater pumping and mining activity have led to an increase in sinkholes. The formation of sinkholes in states is summarized in Figure 9.20. Sinkholes formed in residential areas can cause damage to property and infrastructure such as houses, roads, buildings, and also the loss of human life. Geohazard can happen at any place at any time. It causes enormous injury and damage to properties in many years. Therefore, science and technology play an important role in making geohazards. Example: information about the Earth can be obtained through satellite Remote sensing from satellite is a way to evaluate what is happening at the inherent part of the Earth. Equipment such as seismometers are used to measure the movement of the Earth, including the seismic-based readings by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and other seismic sources. Earth-warming systems are also intended to warm the local population when geohazards are detected. The warming system involved to the use for sirens, mobile phones, and through announcements on television so that the public can be better prepared to face the disaster. Geohazards can cause loss of human life, destruction of damage to properties and environment. Geohazards can cause a nation and also individuals to face devastating economic loss. The victims of geohazards have many social and emotional trauma. Geohazards also pose danger to the health of the victim. Lack of access to clean water and sanitation cause the victim to be easily exposed to various types of diseases. Geohazards also cause severe destruction to flora and fauna. Extinction of flora and fauna due to geohazards may be detrimental to future generations as they will not get to understand or to see the beauty of nature. Thanks for watching.